In the vast ecosystem of accounting software, GnuCash holds a unique position. It's not a flashy, subscription-based cloud platform, nor is it designed for massive enterprises. Instead, GnuCash is a free, open-source desktop application built on the principles of double-entry bookkeeping. This distinct nature shapes its user base significantly. As an accounting software expert, I often encounter questions about who precisely finds GnuCash a suitable tool for their financial management needs. The users of GnuCash can generally be categorized into two primary groups, with some overlap and specific niches within each. 1. Individuals and households for personal finance management. This is arguably the largest and most common user group for GnuCash. Many individuals use GnuCash as a robust alternative to commercial personal finance software or even simple spreadsheets for tracking their money. Why GnuCash appeals to them? Free and open source. The most obvious draw is that it costs nothing to download and use. This is a significant advantage for individuals looking to manage their finances without adding another monthly subscription fee. Being open source also means it's transparent, secure, as the code can be audited by anyone, and continuously developed by a community of volunteers. Double-entry accounting. While it might sound intimidating to a beginner, the core principle of double-entry accounting, every transaction affects at least two accounts, ensuring your books always balance, provides unparalleled accuracy and a comprehensive view of one's financial position. For individuals who want to truly understand where their money goes and how their assets and liabilities interact, GnuCash offers a solid foundation. Detailed tracking. Beyond just categorizing expenses, GnuCash allows users to track bank accounts, credit cards, investments, stocks, bonds, mutual funds, loans, and even assets like property. You can create a detailed chart of accounts to break down income and expenses with as much granularity as desired. Budgeting capabilities. GnuCash supports robust budgeting, allowing users to set targets for various expense categories and track their actual spending against these budgets. This helps in achieving financial goals, saving money, and identifying areas of overspending. Reporting. It offers a variety of built-in reports like income statements or profit and loss for personal finance, balance sheets, transaction reports, and portfolio valuations. These reports can be customized and help users gain insights into their financial health over time. Data ownership. Unlike cloud-based solutions where your data resides on a third-party server, with GnuCash, your financial data is stored locally on your computer. This gives users complete control and ownership over their sensitive financial information. Multi-currency support. For individuals who deal with multiple currencies, e.g., expatriates, international travelers, or those with foreign investments, GnuCash's multi-currency capabilities are a major benefit. Platform versatility. GnuCash runs on Windows, macOS, and Linux, making it accessible to a wide range of computer users. 2. Small businesses, freelancers, and sole proprietors. While GnuCash is primarily known for personal finance, its double-entry bookkeeping core makes it perfectly capable of handling the accounting needs of many small businesses, independent contractors, and freelancers. Why GnuCash suits them. Cost-effective solution. For startups or very small businesses with limited budgets, GnuCash provides enterprise-grade accounting principles without the associated software costs. This allows them to allocate funds to other critical areas of their business. Full double-entry system. This is a significant advantage for businesses that need accurate financial statements for tax purposes, loan applications, or simply for better decision-making. It supports the fundamental accounting equation, assets equals liabilities plus equity. Invoicing and bill payment. GnuCash includes features for creating and managing invoices for customers, accounts receivable, and tracking bills from vendors, accounts payable. This allows businesses to manage their cash flow effectively and stay on top of who owes them money and who they owe. Customer and vendor tracking. Businesses can maintain detailed records for their customers and vendors, linking transactions directly to them for easy reporting and management. Reporting for business. It generates essential business reports like profit and loss statements, balance sheets, and cash flow statements, which are crucial for understanding business performance and meeting compliance requirements. Tax preparation support. While GnuCash doesn't do your taxes, its structured reporting allows businesses to easily pull the necessary figures for tax preparation, whether they do it themselves or work with an accountant. Inventory management, basic for very small businesses with simple inventory needs. GnuCash can assist in tracking stock levels, though it's not a full-fledged inventory management system like those found in dedicated ERP solutions. Community support. As an open-source project, GnuCash benefits from an active community of users and developers. This means there are forums, wikis, and documentation available for support, although direct customer service is not provided.